In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to temporarily unpublish your site or permanently delete it, this easy-to-follow guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, let's begin by navigating to the Wix.com sign-in page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, where you can manage all your sites. Next, you'll need to go to the specific site you wish to delete. To do this, click on the My Sites button. This will present a list of all the websites associated with your account. Browse through the list and find the website you want to deactivate. Click on it to access the website's dashboard, where you will find all the options you need to manage your site. If you simply want to take your site offline without deleting it, you can click Unpublish. This option is handy if you're considering making changes or updates to the site and want to ensure visitors can't see it in the meantime. By unpublishing, your site remains in your account, and you can republish it anytime you'd like with just a few clicks when everything is ready to go live again. However, if you're sure you want to delete the site, let's move on to the next step. Navigate back to the main dashboard and click on Go to All Sites. This will take you to a page displaying all your websites. From here, find the site you wish to delete once more. You'll notice an ellipsis or three-dot icon next to each site. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with further options. Select the option that says Delete. Wix will ask you to confirm this action since deleting a site is permanent and cannot be undone. Be sure you have backed up any necessary data or content you might want to keep before proceeding. Once you're ready, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. Your Wix website has been successfully deactivated, whether you chose to unpublish it temporarily or delete it permanently. Always remember to be cautious with deletions, as they cannot be reversed, and make sure to save any important information beforehand. If you follow these steps, managing your website's visibility on Wix should be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional guidance.